you, Ann. Salamat, salamat. Thank you. Hi guys, this is One Arm Wanderer. So we're currently here in 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡 Inn, here in Coron, Palawan, Philippines. So let's take a quick room tour of our room here in 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡 Inn, Coron, Palawan. So we're having a triple room because this is the only available in Agoda. Okay. So we have here a queen size bed and a single bed. Okay. So the room is very clean, it's very neat. Okay, given that this is very affordable, so if I'm not mistaken, we only got this for only 2,100 pesos by Agoda. Okay, so the room comes with a safe deposit box. There's a side lamp, and there's an LCD TV. So I guess the TV comes with cable channel. Okay, there are 2 chairs in here. Okay, and there's the luggage area, and of course the room is air conditioned. It's there. And let's now proceed to the toilet and bath. So the toilet and bath is very clean. Okay. So there's amenity kit provided here. It says 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡 Inn, Coron, Palawan. So there's also a hot and cold shower here. And there's a toilet. Okay. So there you go. Here's our room here in 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡 Inn, Coron, Palawan. Okay, so if you're on a budget, I would highly suggest staying here. This is just located within the town of Coron. So this is very near to restaurants and bars here in Coron, Palawan. Okay, so again, this is One Arm Wanderer. So I'm giving a huge discount if you book on my link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.